Okay, you've got to understand, I'm a 15 handicap. The setting is this: Hilton Head Island, Harbor Town Golf Links. Number 12. I'm playing okay, but it's a very tight course. You've got to be accurate off the tee. So I hit a nice drive, middle of the fairway, with my partners, and it's an 8-iron in, 140. No wind, nothing, just hit it sweet. So I get over the ball, everybody's already hit their shots, nobody's on, and there's people walking behind the green because there's a walkway and a street back there on number 12. And I hit the prettiest 8-iron you've ever seen within 2 feet of the pin, and the people behind the green had stopped. And when they saw the ball land, they all applauded. And for a moment, I felt like a PGA player. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.